in this presentation, we'll show our readers how to use PreCalculus ebook. This one is interactive ebook. It has 331 pages. Let's go to the table of contents, and you can see here they are written in red. Okay, there are 10 chapters. This is the last chapter. 10 chapters, and they are indexed right here. You know, if you like to go to, let's say, section 2.1 as the definition of function, you may click on it. So it will bring you to section 2.1. This is the feature that traditional ebook may not have. And the best feature for this book is that entire ebook is explained in video. You can see right here the video, 9 minutes. It will explain the definition, and with the example right here. It has like 277 video clips. Okay. You can see down here, example. If you can read through it, that's fine. If you need assistance, and then you can click on that. Now you may say that only explains 17. No, that's not the case. If you click on that, it will explain to you.
Let's look at
Okay.
those examples. Those examples are about finding the domains of
So you can see here,
functions.
it's quite clear on
If the
iPad.
function is given in this way, in the radical
You see
sign,
it down here.
then you know
Yeah.
numbers inside the radical sign.
你没注意，
The final
是
answer has to be positive. The whole expression x minus 1 has to be positive.
It's very
If
clear
you
on
get a number
iPad.
inside radical
Okay.
sign which is negative, then you cannot find out the solution.
Okay.
So since the expression inside
iBooks, to bring us back, you can see the second example is 4x plus 6. Is this one explained? It's actually explained right here. You see. Click on that. You can slide.
let's look at the
Slide. You see. Okay.
cancel that.
Yeah.
You will have
Example.
4x
The following
left
example was
alone
like
on the
this.
left, because those two
Okay.
cancel each
Again.
other. So 4x on the left.
If you
0 plus
see
negative
the
6 on the right,
iPad,
which is negative 6.
and it's very clear.
Then you divide it by 4
Of course,
on both
it
sides.
needs the higher internet
Four cancel each
interaction
other, which is
connection. Okay,
1 times x is
and
x.
then the video will show up.
Negative 6
Yeah.
divided
So the
by 4 will be
entire
reduced
textbook
to 3 over.
is explained by video. Not only the definitions, but also the 282 examples. They are all video explained in this book. Okay. Now, just now you have seen that you can go directly from the table of contents to the sections you wanted. Now, by using iBooks, In iPad, there is another way. You click on that, and then you see this is also table of contents. There is another way to use it. Okay. For example, right now you want to do more. You may say, let's go to trigonometry. Okay. So down here, another great feature is that when you read a question here, 1 plus tan squared, and here is secant theta squared. Okay, so only difference from here to here you don't remember, and then you may click here 7.1. Okay, that's the link. All right, before you go, remember here we are on page 205. Okay, page 205. Before you go, you want to bookmark it. So make this 205 be red. Cannot see here, you see this one. Okay, in red. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. You see? Yeah. Zoom out a little bit. You want to click and mark it. Click, mark it. Now click on page definition 7.1. It brings you 7.1. That's secant t squared equals tan t squared plus 1. Previously, you think this might be an easy fact, but easy to get, easy to forget. Okay, at that time probably was easy, but when you really want to use it, it might be a problem. Now you want to go back, you click on that, and then click on the middle one, okay, and then this bookmark. Okay, so you click on page 205. So it brings you back to continue to read. Okay. Now, this link is not only provided in example, but also it is also provided during your reading. You see, you start to read 7.2, and then the author said, figure 6.4 on page 187 is very useful. You think, I got to remember that. What was that? Again, you can click the link, you see, 6.4. 6.4, the figure is this one. Okay, so I want to go back. Click on that, and then click here. It brings you back. Again, video is everywhere. Okay, so that's the very good feature with the video, with the hyperlink. Okay, and hyperlink is also everywhere. If you don't remember, they will bring you there, and then you can make the connections. Once you make the connection, the learning activity is that if you know the connection, you'll get it. If you don't have the connection, then later on, you may easily forget what you have learned. Okay? So the second good feature would be, hyperlinks are everywhere. Besides, the video is everywhere. Okay. We also show that the table of contents, there are two ways to use that. In this ebook, there is another great feature. You see down here, if you go to the end, that's index. And then in index, you see TI-83 calculator. You may think, how can I use this one to do something? And here, if you click, let's say 144, it brings you there. And then TI-83 calculator, find inverse matrices by TI-83 calculator, and it tells you the introduction would be this long, 8 minutes. Okay. Again, you can see the hyperlinks. Example 1:17. Don't hit on that, and then you will go there. Right now, you want to do is TI-83 calculator. Click on that, then the video shows up. Okay.
In this lecture, we will talk about
you can see how clear the lecture is on iPad.
For the given matrix A right here.
You see that?
By using TI-83 calculator.
Yeah. Okay, let's
there are
zoom
two
up
steps.
a little bit.
Step 1 is input matrix. How to do that?
Shut this off. Go back to the book. And then you may say, this is one thing for the calculator. How about another thing? You say, besides the calculator, I may forget something else. You see, there are many terminologies in math I may not really remember. For example, what's the partial fraction? If you click on that, then partial fraction shows up on page 156. Again, you can recall that to read through, and if you like someone explain to you, you see, you click on this one.
In this lecture,
so it will tell you
the partial fraction decomposition.
Yeah.
Let's look at this example.
You see,
this example says
it's very clear on
we have
iPad.
A rational expression.
All right.
11x minus 6 divided by x minus 6 times x plus 4.
Yeah.
How
So
to find out the decomposition?
let me shut this off. Go back to the book, and go back to the beginning of the book. This book has a very good feature again. Everywhere is video, and everywhere is hyperlink to bring you back, and then let you come back to read. Okay, and then you can use table of contents to go to any sections quickly, and you can also go to using the index, okay, to go to any terminologies quickly. Here is the website. You can get this book, math-stat.us.